welcome back to the channel Security Enthusiast. Today we are diving into a technical exploration of how certain tools can be employed in the landscape of online security. It's crucial to preface this by stating unequivocally that this information is for educational purpose only, aimed at understanding potential threats and bolstering your defenses. We absolutely don't endorse or encourage any unauthorized access or activity. In the realm of cybersecurity, understanding the techniques that malicious actors might use is paramount for effective defense. One such area involves the automatic testing of login credentials against various online services. Tools like OpenBullet are often discussed in the context. These tools can be configured to send a high volume of login attempts using list of potential usernames and passwords. To obscure the origin of these attempts, attackers might utilize proxy servers. Proxies act as intermediaries, routing traffic through different IP addresses, making it more difficult to trace the source of activity. The concept of anonymity through proxies is well established technique in the various online context. In the context of potential malicious activity, it's used to hinder identification and blocking. However, it's vital to understand that using proxies for any unauthorized access is illegal and unethical. Our focus here is not on how to conduct such activities, but rather understanding the techniques involved by grasping how these tools and techniques could be used. Security professionals and system administrators can better implement countermeasures. These include rate limiting, implementing restrictions on the number of login attempts from a single IP addresses within a specific time frame, account lockout policies, automatically logging accounts after a certain number of failed login attempts, CAPTCHA and multi-factor authentication, adding layers of security to prevent automated login attempts, monitoring for suspicious activity, implementing system to detect unusual patterns in login attempts and network traffic. The goal of understanding these potential attack vectors is purely defensive. By knowing how malicious actors might operate, we can build more resilient systems and educate users on best security practices. Remember, ethical cybersecurity is about protecting system and data, not exploiting vulnerabilities without authorization. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this informative, please like, subscribe, and share this video to promote ethical cybersecurity awareness. Stay safe online. Goodbye.